Welcome to another 1-minute video lesson. This one is about breakouts. Very simple strategy. Breakouts, whether you're trading long or short, it's all about what's going on with the previous high or the previous low. And what we want to do is we want to couple that with which direction price action is moving with the 200-day simple moving average, which represents the longer term trend. And if we look at this chart that I'm using just as an example, NXTD, if we look right through here, you can see that price action has broken out and then it's kind of based out on the daily. Now what we're looking for is this little area of consolidation to pop. So this is the breakout that we're looking for. And if you actually look on this longer or this shorter chart on this hourly, there's that consolidation pattern right through there. And what we're looking for is for price action to put in a low, put in a high, put in a higher high, and then we're looking for that explosion. And it's right through here that we would be looking to trade this breakout. What is it exactly that we're looking for? We're looking for the overall trend. 200-day simple moving average is bullish on all fronts. So 200-day, 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 price action's above. And then you can see that we've got this high probability ascending triangle pattern, and previous highs are then being tested. Price action is squeezing, and then we explode from 336 into a 421 close. Is it the biggest move? No, but this is what you'd be looking for a breakout pattern.